In a prior video, I showed you how to test your float switch. In this video, I'll show you how to replace it. The float switch is located at the bottom right-hand side of the dishwasher behind an access panel.
Panel on the front. I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver, and there's two little clips down here that you're going to just twist about 90 degrees to gain access. So there's one on this side, twist it 90 degrees, pull it out. One on the other side, twist it 90 degrees, and pull it out. Then I'm going to take out this cover. There's a bunch of insulation attached to the back. I'm just going to set that aside. So as you can see from what I already showed you, there's limited access to these. It's enough to fix it. You don't normally need to take this front cover off. But if you do, or you just want to be able to see a little better, usually these front panels come off pretty easily. You can remove the screws here and down the other side on the front of the door, lift it back up, and usually this front panel will lift off to give you a little more access. I'm not going to do it today because it's going to take more time to take that panel off than it's going to take to actually fix anything. This may be a little different on your dishwasher, but there's two kind of clips and panels that open up on this float switch. Yeah, pinch together those clips, and these ones pinch together this way, and you can remove it. All right, now you can see this black float switch here. That's what we're going to need to remove. We're also going to need to remove the wire harness. Before I remove that, I want to show you, this is how the float switch works. That gray rod coming down, that's connected to the float inside the dishwasher. And that float, when it rises up, this is spring loaded, pulls this down, and there's a little switch, a little button on the bottom of the black float switch that when it's down, it pushes in, and when it's floating up, it pulls away, and that's what activates and deactivates the switch.
Install the new float switch by reversing the process. Insert the float switch into the retainer, attach the wire harness, and close the cover.
Reinstalling the access panel.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button so others can find it, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my website, natefixesit.com, and check the description of this video for links to the tools and parts that I use to complete the job.